Are you over 40 and wondering how you can keep up with the younger competitors in the online marketing world? The answer lies in AI. Today, I'll reveal several powerful ways that AI can help you grow your business, simplify your marketing, and even bring in more sales, no matter what your experience is. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI for personalized customer experiences. AI can help you create hyper-personalized marketing that makes each customer feel like you understand their unique needs. Tools like ChatGPT or other AI chatbots can analyze customer data and interactions to tailor product recommendations, emails, and ads for each user. This approach makes customers feel valued, leading to higher engagement. Imagine someone visits your website looking at a specific product, but leaves without buying. AI can automatically send them an email with a special offer on that exact product. This tactic works because it keeps you connected with interested customers without requiring your constant input. And the best part, the personalization doesn't require technical expertise. Platforms like MailChimp and HubSpot offer built-in AI features that suggest the best times and messages to reach your customers. These tools allow you to stay personal while scaling your reach. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to enhance content creation with AI-powered writing tools. Creating content takes time, but AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can generate blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions in seconds. These tools use natural language processing to create content that sounds human, making it easy to keep up with regular content demands. For example, say you're launching a new online course. You can use an AI tool to draft an engaging course description, a promotional email, and social media posts to spread the word all within a few clicks. Then personalize and refine the drafts to match your tone. Even better, AI can help you come up with content ideas. You can use it to brainstorm trending topics, video ideas, or customer FAQs to address in your next blog post. This keeps your content really fresh and highly relevant without the constant need for brainstorming. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to leverage predictive analytics for sales forecasting. AI-powered predictive analytics can analyze customer behavior patterns to help you forecast sales and make smarter business decisions. This way you can better anticipate demand and stock up on your most popular products or services at the right time. For example, if you notice more sales from a particular demographic during certain months, AI can highlight that pattern, allowing you to target them with special offers. This predictive ability helps you make proactive moves rather than reacting after sales slow down. Many platforms like Google Analytics and Salesforce offer AI-driven predictive analytics. They're especially useful if you run an online shop or subscription service, where understanding customer purchasing trends can make a big impact on inventory and marketing strategies. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to automate your social media management. Managing social media can be time consuming, especially if you're juggling multiple platforms. AI tools like Hootsuite or Buffer use machine learning to determine the best times to post, analyze which content resonates most, and even suggest hashtags to increase reach. AI can also help you automatically reply to common customer questions in direct messages. For example, if a customer asks about shipping times, an AI chatbot can instantly respond, keeping your audience engaged without requiring your immediate attention. This automation allows you to maintain an active social media presence while freeing up time to focus on other aspects of your business. Plus, AI provides data insights, helping you to see which posts get the most engagement, so then you can refine your content. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to use AI-driven ad targeting to reach the right audience. AI can enhance your advertising by ensuring you're targeting the right people at the right time. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads have AI algorithms that automatically optimize your ads for higher conversion rates, helping you reach potential customers who are most likely to purchase. For instance, if you run an ad for your online course, AI will automatically show it to users who have shown interest in similar topics, ensuring you're spending your ad dollars wisely. This level of targeting helps you reach more high quality leads without the extra effort. As you monitor these ads, AI provides insights on which audience segments respond best, allowing you to continuously refine your targeting. This approach makes your ads far more cost effective and maximizes your return on investment. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to improve customer support with AI chatbots. If customer inquiries are taking up too much of your time, consider using AI chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support. Chatbots can answer common questions, direct customers to the right resources, and even help with basic troubleshooting. For example, a customer might visit your website late at night with a question about a product. An AI chatbot can answer in real time, increasing customer satisfaction and potentially leading to more sales. Chatbots like Intercom and Drift make this setup quick and easy. You can also program these chatbots to collect customer feedback or schedule follow-ups. This way you get valuable insights from customers while maintaining their engagement without needing to respond personally each time. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is to optimize your website with AI for higher conversions. AI can analyze user behavior on your website, providing insights to help you improve user experience and increase conversions. Tools like Hotjar or Crazy Egg track where visitors click, how long they stay on certain pages, and when they're most likely to leave. Let's say you notice users drop off before they reach the checkout page. AI can identify this issue and even suggest layout changes to make to the checkout process to make it smoother. Small changes based on these insights can make a big difference in keeping website visitors on your website longer. Some tools even offer A/B testing, which is powered by AI, allowing you to test different versions of a page to see which performs best. This helps you optimize your website continually based on real data, leading to higher conversions. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to streamline email marketing with AI segmentation. AI can take your email marketing to the next level by helping you segment your audience more effectively. For instance, it can analyze customer behavior, customer buying behaviors, interests, and demographics to send targeted emails that appeal to each group's unique preferences. If you're promoting an online course, AI can identify which users have previously shown interest in similar topics and send them a specialized email with relevant details. This ensures your audience gets content that they're interested in, increasing the chances of clicks and conversions. Platforms like Klaviyo and Sendinblue offer AI-powered segmentation features, so even if you're not a tech expert, you can benefit from this advanced marketing strategy. This saves you time while making your email campaigns much more effective. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to enhance decision making with AI data insights. AI tools can provide powerful insights by analysing data patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Tools like Tableau or IBM Watson can help you interpret sales data, customer feedback, and even competitor trends, so you can make informed decisions. Say you're seeing a decline in sales for a particular product. AI might identify a correlation with seasonal trends or customer feedback about price. With this information, you can adapt, perhaps offering a discount or promoting an alternative product. These insights go beyond basic data analytics to helping you identify trends and adjust your business strategy. This approach makes you proactive in decision making, giving you an edge in the competitive online market. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to boost your SEO with AI-powered keyword research and content optimization. AI can help improve your website's SEO by identifying high potential keywords, analysing competitor content, and optimizing your website copy for better search engine ranking. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Surfer SEO use AI to provide keyword suggestions and analyse the readability and SEO strength of your content. For example, AI tools can suggest long-tail keywords that your competitors might be missing, giving you a chance to rank for specific search terms your audience is already using. If you're creating a blog post about starting an online business, AI can suggest phrases like online business tips for beginners over 40 to reach your ideal demographic more effectively. AI also helps you analyse how your content is performing over time, providing recommendations for updates or additions based on search trends. This allows you to keep your content relevant and fresh, which is key to maintaining high rankings on search engines like Google. So there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.